Good day traders, David here from Daily Forecast. It is the 3rd of May, Wednesday, and we're here to do an update. We've been away for a while and we're back. Let's look at Brent oil, crude oil, euro, and then Bitcoin as well. The daily chart in front of us, you can see we're still in a bearish AB swing with our A high and our B low. Price came right up to the 8.6. The last time we spoke, we said we were seeing if we couldn't maybe get a test at some point, we said, and then here we said we are sideways. These lows needed to be dropped to open up the downside. If one draws our fibs, we'll see that we've got a BF7 at 6 down at lower levels here. At 73.82, we've got a BF7 at 6. So we will look for, we'll put in that 73.82. Sorry, what is it? 72.82 or 73.82? Let's just double check that again. 73. So we've got a BF7 at 6 down at these levels here. We'll see if price finds support at that level. Okay. The gap has been closed. We're in a bearish AB swing, so we are looking for price, bar the support that might form here. We're looking for price to fall down to the 118 level down at 66.68. Okay, but if we do find support at the BF7 at 6, we will be looking for something bullish. Okay, so for those of you that did take the actual trade or that nice bearish candlestick formation, you guys are up a good amount of pips. The 4-hour chart, we've got some housekeeping to do. You can see the last time we spoke, we were in a bearish AB swing, and you can see price didn't even reach the actual 382 and then dropped again. So this would then become the new A. Okay. And this here would become our new B at that point in time. And then currently this is our new AB swing. Okay. There's our A high, and we're still waiting for a B low to form. You can see that. We don't have a B low in place yet. So we'll be waiting for a B low to form. You can see this AB swing here, AB, has reached its D extension over there. So we can put in the D over there as well. So that D extension has been reached from that initial AB swing over there. So we'll have to wait for another B low to form, and then we'll be able to pull our fibs on this pair. For now, we'll have to sit back and wait. The 1-hour chart, if I must update that as well, you'll see that there was our original AB swing that we were talking about a couple of weeks, last week sometime. So this here was our new B low here. Okay, this B here became our A. If I can edit that quickly there. Just doing some housekeeping so our charts are totally up to date. Okay, and then here as well, you can see we didn't even hit the 618 either. If I were to draw my fibs, you can see that we didn't hit the 618. From that A to that B, we came shy of the 618, so there was no official entry over there. And yesterday we took out these lows here. We took out these lows here, so we've got a new AB swing. In fact, that was the B at some point in time over there. And then you can see there's our next resistance high on this time frame. So here's our new A high. And we're once again waiting for the B low to form. Just happened in the last 2 hours that price fell. So we're waiting for the B low to form on that one. I need to put a question mark in there just to show us that we don't officially have a B low. Once we do have a B low in place, we'll then draw our fibs on that. Okay. So far from there to the low, we're looking at 117 pips, 120 pips. It seems like nothing, but it's a swing nonetheless. Okay, a possible swing. We're not there yet. Crude oil on the 4-hour chart, also got some housekeeping to do. You can see that this here was our A. We were in a bearish AB swing, A high, B low. You can see we never came to the 382, then price dropped, giving us another AB swing. So that was our next AB swing over there. And you can see here that price also reached its D extension. A, B, C, 382 bounce is going to take us to the 1618, and there it reached the 1618. So I can move that one out of the way. And then you can see here we had another AB swing. So if I were to update this chart, that's our new A, and here we're waiting for AB to form. Okay, so similar to Brent oil, we're waiting for the B low to form on this time frame. Once we have that B low, we'll pull our fibs. on it, and we'll look for a 618. But there, that chart is updated now. The 1 hour chart as well. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. That was our most recent AB swing when we spoke the last time. Then this here will become a new A high. This here was a B low at one point, you can see that. And then this here was also another A high. Guys, I'm just labeling the actual chart since the last time I did an update, so that we know that our charts are totally up to date. There's our next B. Okay, and you can see drawing your fibs here that price came right into the 86 as well. We were expecting price to run out of steam around here, but price has carried on past the 1618. So there's our new A high. That was the highest point within that swing. Okay, and this I can remove. And here was our B low over here yesterday. And again, similar, same like crude, same like Brent oil. This is our current A high, and again we're waiting for a B low to form. In the past 2 hours, prices gone and dropped that low. And this, the size of this swing also is in the region of 130 pips. So it seems like nothing. That's simply because of this huge fall that we had yesterday. Yesterday price fell 464 pips. Okay, so it's making this little swing look like it's nothing. But that's where we are at on that. For those of you that do follow the system, there was a trade on the 1 hour chart. We did wind up taking that the previous day, but there wasn't anything yesterday. Price fell all the way through. So we'll carry on waiting and seeing what's happening on that one now. Euro daily chart. Euro daily chart, we're in a bullish AB swing still. A low, B high. Price didn't even reach the actual 382, and you can see we've gone sideways since we popped out of the B, but we came right back in. We need a sustained break. We're always talking about a sustained break. We'll move that to make this the actual new B high. But it hasn't been a sustained break. Let's see if this is a test of that area there, and see if the B is going to hold. If the B doesn't hold, we look for it to come deeper into the swing. The 4 hour chart as well. 4 hour chart, you're in a bullish AB swing. There's our A low, there's our B high. We came to the 618. We had a BF 786 here, and a BF 786 with the price 618 leads us to believe we're gonna be heading down to the 786. You can see price then spiked up, didn't fall down to the 786. We're still in that area. We're still looking for price to actually spike up. Fall down. Okay, typically, no, we're not in BF 786 area. I'm lying. Okay, BF 786 area is at 620 at 106. 106.2, that's BF 786 area. Let's see if we do reach BF 786 area on this particular time frame. If we do, then we will be looking for price to fall into lower levels. So let's wait for some clarity on this time frame before we do anything else. You can see that we're still in our bullish AB swing. A low, B high. You can see price bounced off the 86, and let's see if we did reach the BF 786. No, we haven't reached BF 786 as yet. Okay, let's see if price does rally up. This might just be a test of this rally here. We are still bullish on this pair. There's no reason to be bearish on it yet. Price hasn't reached BF 786. If price rallies on up and takes out this B high, then this becomes our new A support low. If price falls down and takes out this A low, we're starting a reversal on this time frame. Okay. I did look at the 4 hour chart. I did update the actual 4 hour chart. The 4 hour chart, you can see we're in a bearish AB swing. There's our A high. There's our B low. Price rallied up to the 786 and then fell down to the BF 786. And a BF with a prior 786 leads us to believe we're going to take out this A high. And you can see price came right back down to actually test it. So let's see. Here's a nice bullish candlestick formation. Let's see if price is going to be rallying on up as such, simply because our set of rules, and guys, it doesn't happen each and every time, but we stick to the actual set of rules that we actually trade with. A BF 786 with the prior 86 bounce leads us to believe we're going to take out the A high over coming sessions. So let's see how we go on that one. If price falls down and takes out the B, then this becomes the new A high. Okay. So that's the analysis for the day, guys. Let's see how we go. We've already had a trade in the week, and we've made some pips on that, on Brent oil. And we'll keep our eyes open for the rest of it. Okay. Enjoy the trading day. Cheers. Bye.